Ever felt like you're drowning in spreadsheets and timesheets? You're not alone. Many businesses struggle to accurately track employee time. But what if there was a simpler solution, a tool that could streamline time tracking while also handling your expense reports? That's where the question arises, does Expensify track time? Let's dive in. Expensify is renowned for its robust expense management capabilities. It simplifies the process of capturing receipts, categorizing expenses, and submitting reimbursement requests. But what about time tracking? Can Expensify truly handle both time and expenses seamlessly? The good news is, yes. Expensify does indeed offer time tracking features. While its primary focus remains expense management, it has integrated time tracking capabilities to provide a more comprehensive solution for businesses. Here's how it works. Time entries. You can easily log your time spent on specific projects or tasks directly within the Expensify app. This can be done manually by entering start and end times or by using the app's timer function. Project tracking. Expensify allows you to categorize time entries by project, making it easy to track the time spent on different initiatives. This is crucial for project budgeting and performance analysis. Integration with project management tools. Expensify integrates with popular project management tools like Jira, Asana, and Slack. This seamless integration streamlines workflows by allowing you to track time directly within your preferred project management platform. Reporting and analytics. Expensify provides insightful reports on time spent on projects, employee productivity, and overall project costs. This data can be invaluable for making informed business decisions and optimizing resource allocation. So, how does this benefit your business? Imagine a world where time tracking is no longer a tedious chore. With Expensify, you can increase accuracy, eliminate manual time entry errors, and ensure accurate time tracking for all projects. Boost productivity, streamline time tracking processes, freeing up employees to focus on more important tasks. Improve project profitability, gain better visibility into project costs and identify areas for improvement. Enhance employee satisfaction, simplify time tracking for employees, reducing frustration and improving overall morale. Expensify's time tracking features, while not its core focus, provide a valuable addition to its comprehensive expense management solution. By integrating time tracking capabilities, Expensify empowers businesses to streamline their operations, improve efficiency, and gain valuable insights into their workforce and projects. Ready to simplify your time tracking and expense management? Visit the Expensify website to learn more and start your free trial today. With Expensify, you can say goodbye to tedious paperwork and hello to a more efficient and streamlined workflow. With that said, thanks for watching and until next time.